It's smaller than a thumbnail, faster than you can blink, and it can switch electricity millions of times per second with very little heat. Today, we're exploring the powerful EPC23101 GaN device. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is the EPC23101? The EPC23101 is a GaN-based power stage developed by efficient power conversion. Unlike a simple transistor, this device integrates high-speed GaN technology with driver circuitry, making it compact, fast, and highly efficient for modern power electronics. What is GaN? GaN stands for Gallium Nitride, a wide bandgap semiconductor. This means it can handle higher voltage, higher temperature, and switch much faster than traditional silicon devices, while losing much less energy as heat. Think of silicon as a narrow road and GaN as a high-speed highway. Here's what makes the EPC23101 powerful. Supports high-speed switching, very low power loss, compact chip-scale design, high-efficiency performance, integrated driver and control capability.
Now let's talk about the pinout. The EPC23101 includes different types of pins, each with its own role. First, we have the control pins, HSIN, LSIN, and SD. These pins handle the input signals and control when the device turns on and off. Next are the power supply pins, VDD and VDRV. These provide the required voltage for the internal circuits and the driver. Then we have the gate control pins, RDRV and RBoot. These help control how fast the switching happens, improving efficiency. For output and reference, we have LGINT and GND, where LGINT drives the low-side transistor and GND acts as the common reference. And finally, the main power stage pins, VIN, SW, and VBoot. These handle the actual power flow and high-speed switching inside the device. So all these pins work together, controlling, powering, and switching the device efficiently.
Applications. The EPC23101 is used in fast chargers, electric vehicles, DC to DC converters, solar power systems, and high-frequency power supplies. Compared to silicon devices, it offers faster switching, lower heat generation, smaller size, and higher efficiency. GaN technology is changing the future of power electronics, and the EPC23101 is a great example of that. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.